Hi everyone, welcome to MRC. I'm Alex. Today I'll be flying the UMX Air Tractor again, but this time on 2S. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, you can definitely tell the difference in power. I had to go full throttle. See how fast it is. That's full throttle, not very impressive. Yeah, it behaves a lot like my turbo timber. It seems to fly a bit better. Now I did add some weight to my turbo timber because I flew it right after I Maiden this, but I had all the lights are kind of permanently on, the lights I've added for night flying. And there's also that BEC to get the correct voltage from the flight pack for the LED, for the lights. So that adds some weight. I don't know, this seems to fly smoother than the turbo timber. Going on 2S, let's try a loop. Okay, it's not bad, but definitely if you want a bit of sportiness out of it, you want to fly it on 3S. It's not slow, but it's always good to have the extra power, even if you're not using it. Oh my gosh, what are those? Let me take a plane. Ooh, those are some really big birds up there. I don't know if you can see them. I have no idea what they are, eagles or hawks or... Okay, let's come down. I don't want the birds attacking this. Really cloudy today. Hope you guys can see the plane. It's a bit hard for me to see, even if it's yellow. Yeah, it's sporty, but nothing overwhelming on 2S. Still flies great, but I'm pretty much full throttle. The battery might be a bit heavy also. It's a 500 milliamp 2S, but what can you do? Yeah, it's 7.6 volts. The timer still have a minute 30, so not really a long flight time so far. Yeah, you can probably get 5-6 minutes out of a 500 2S. And this is a rather old one, so might not be in its best shape. Let's try some flaps. Let's have flaps, full flaps. And I did the mix by the book, manual suggests, and mixed the elevator with the flaps, and you can see it stays pretty flat. That's about half throttle and on 2S, so yeah, have a bit of wind. out of the flaps. Okay. Let's get it on this side because we have a car coming. Or maybe not. It's a bit confusing. Out there, there's a shooting range, yeah, and I think they did some shooting. See some smoke coming, and also a quarry, so never know where the noise is coming from. It's a car also. Yeah, so I was a bit disappointed after flying my turbo timber straight after, well, it was not straight after, but a few flights after I made in this on 3S. But I think it's probably the power difference. This one on 2S, yeah, it's good. I'm not saying it's bad in any way, but it's not as exciting as on 3S. And yeah, let me get ready for a landing. Slow it down. Oh, 1 minute over the timer. Okay, let's have flaps. Let's put on full flaps. A bit of a bounce, but not bad. It's a bit windy. Hey guys, so yeah, still an awesome little plane. Really like it. Probably 2S is not ideal, but if you're a beginner, if you just want to fly at scale, relaxed, it will get the job done. No problems. So thank you very much for watching. Leave some comments. Let me know your experience with the UMX Air Tractor or any questions you have. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.